this is the next question. We are asked to solve for x. We are given 2 times of x negative 6 positive 3x less than equal to 8. Now you distribute this 2. You get 2x negative 12 positive 3 times x less than equal to 8. And then you add these two together. You get 5x negative 12 less than equal to 8. You add positive 12 both sides. So that would give you 5x negative 12 positive 12 less than equal to 8 positive 12. Negative positive goes away. You get 5x less than equal to 8 added with 12 will give you 20. Now you divide by 5 both sides. So you get 5x divided by 5 less than equal to 20 divided by 5. 5 gets cancelled. 5 divides by 4. So x is less than equal to 4. So that is the solution. You can box the result. So this is the working. And that's a solution. Now we are asked to represent this on the number line. Okay, so how do we do it? First you draw the number line. Okay, so this is the number line. Now x takes the values which are to the left of 4. X is less than equal to 4. So you place a circle and you darken the circle, okay, because less than equal to, and then you draw a darker line, okay, little bit darker line or with a different color like that, and then you place the arrow. So that will tell you that x takes all values which are lesser than equal to 4. So that's the solution for this question. Now this is the next question, part B. We are asked to factorize 3x negative 6y positive ax negative 2ay. Now what I would do is I would try to club things together. Okay, so foremost we need to club in a suitable fashion, so that's a priority. So what I would do is I will club these two together, 3x positive ax and then negative 6y negative 2ay. Now from here I would take x out, that would give me 3 positive a. From here I would take 2 out, and then I'll take a y out. So this would give me 3. 3 times 2y is 6y with a negative sign. Followed by, I need to get a negative there, so it's going to be positive. I need to get a there. In other words, it has to be 2ay. So I place a there. Okay, so you need to be a little bit careful in factorizing. So 3 positive a can be taken out, and that would give me x negative 2y. So this is a factored form of 3x negative 6y positive ax negative 2ay. So that's the solution. Now we have to factorize p squared negative 1. Now this is of the form a squared negative b squared, which can be rewritten as a negative b times a positive b. So therefore p squared negative 1 is going to be p squared negative 1 squared, which is p negative 1 times p positive 1. So therefore p squared negative 1 has a factor p negative 1 times p positive 1. So that is the solution for this question. Now this is the next question. We have to expand and simplify. So we are given 2k negative 3 times k negative 2. So you have to distribute the quantities. So I'm going to multiply 2k multiplied with k first, and then 2k with negative 2. So negative 2k times 2, and then negative 3 with k, and then negative into negative, that's positive 3 into 2. So you have expanded it, but you need to simplify it. So that's the next part. So 2k into k is 2k squared. This is negative 4k. This is negative 3k. This is 3 into 2 is 6. simplification continues because you have 8 additional terms. So negative 4k added with negative 3k will give you negative 7k. You already have a 2k squared there, and a positive 6 is the value that is present as a constant. So therefore 2k negative 3 times a k negative 2 is going to be equal to 2k squared negative 7k positive 6. So that's the solution for this question. Now we have another question. So we are given two lines. Okay, given 3x positive y is equal to 2 and 4x negative 2y is equal to 6 intersects at x comma y. Now show that the point of intersection is 1 comma negative 1. So this is a solution to show that 1 comma negative 1 is a point of intersection of lines L1 and L2. Substitute x is equal to 1 in 1 and 2. This is 1, this is 2. We should get the value of y to be equal to negative 1. Okay, so L1 is 3x positive y is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 1. So that is going to be 3 of 1 positive y is equal to 2. This means 3 positive y is equal to 2. Push this 3 to the other side, you get y is equal to 2 negative 3. So y is equal to negative 1. Now L2, 4x negative 2y is equal to 6. Put x is equal to 1. So this is 4 of 1 negative 2y is equal to 6. 4 negative 2y is equal to 6. Push this 4 to the other side, you get negative 2y is equal to 6 minus 4. Negative 2y is equal to 2. So you divide by 2 by both sides. You get negative y is equal to 1. Therefore y is equal to negative 1. So I am taking this as say sum 3 and taking this as 4. From 3 and 4 we observe that the point of intersection is indeed 1 comma negative 1. Okay, so that is the solution for this question. So let's move on.